And was raised on a farm. All I ever knew was farm work. Didn't get to go to school. So that was a hindrance in years, on. But I was lucky. I got a job in grandfather days. So you didn't require a lot, just experience. I had my trailer for 26 years. And it was falling down around our ears. And he wasn't able to work on it, and I didn't have the money to put in on it. My hot water heater fell through the floor one day, and I had to call my son to come and fix it. And then I had a big hole come in my roof, was leaking water, which I never noticed because it was coming down in a closet. Trailers is not put together with nothing but plywood. And if it gets wet, it swells, and then next thing you know, it's gone. So then they come up there one day and check my trailer out, and we passed, So, my husband was of course he knew by then that he wasn't going to be living much longer. And he told my best friends, he said, we're going to get a new house. I wasn't there that day when they came, and he said, and I'm so glad, because we always call one another Mom and Daddy. He said, Mama deserves it. She's worked hard. And the first summer that we lived here, he dearly enjoyed it. Every afternoon we'd eat a bite, and we'd go out on that porch. And we would sit out there till 10, 11 o'clock at night, enjoying the quiet and the peace. I don't know, it's just, I just wished that I could tell everybody that if they're having hard times with their homes, to contact New Hope, because they will help. They will help. Because they're good people. And they're good Christian people. And this, New Hope has been a blessing. Nobody knows how much them people, every one of them, means to me.